Hello everyone, welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going ahead to introduce our newest products, the glass sliding top chest freezers. Let's take a look at the overall size first. Entirely units will be 79 inches in the length, about 35 inches in the tall, and 29.5 inches in the depth. And as you can see, the units we're having the controller right bottom here, and using the US 110 plugs right here. Also have the ETL sanitation approved sticker at the behind. So this is all information we have for the overall sizes. And let's take a look at the inner set. Let's take a look at the inner set overall sizes. The unit's inner set will be 2 feet wide, and the overall length will be 73 inches. And the depth will be 22.5 inches. And the baskets, (23 inches) by 12 inches, and the 13 inches. So the units coming with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 basket inside, and also have the LED strips right here. And also the stage, it's about like a 11 inches deep right here. This is the all inner set information. Thank you for watching this video. If you have more questions, please contact with us.